Want to create a smart toll gate? Want to open a gate and close a gate automatically? Hi, I am Manish Gupta and welcome to CyberSox. In this video, you are going to learn how to make toll gate. Toll gate uses ultrasonic and servo motor. We use ultrasonic to measure distance if some car is near or not. If car is near, we will use a servo motor to open the gate. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using CyberSox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using CyberSox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Use our arm movement servo motor and fix it to our front deck and attach ultrasonic here. Now connect 4-pin cable to ultrasonic and 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port and other end of the 3-pin cable to servo motor. Let's open our Google Chrome and search Cybo Socks and hit enter and visit cybersource.com. Click on learn, choose documentation, click on projects, search toll, click on toolkit, scroll to flowchart, open in a new tab. Let's understand the flowchart. We are starting our program. We are connecting ultrasonic and servo to our brain. We are initially creating gate angle that is initialized to 0. Then we are setting our servo angle to gate angle that is 0. Then we are going to continuously read distance from ultrasonic. If distance is less than 15, we are setting our servo angle to 90. If gate angle is 90, then we are setting our servo angle to 0. Let's understand the algorithm. We are not using OLED. Let's connect our ultrasonic servo motor to our brain, then set angle to 0. Then we will continuously read values from ultrasonic. If distance is less than 15, we will set our servo angle to 90, that is our open gate, and gate angle to 90. Else if gate is open, then wait for 2 seconds and close the gate. That is set our servo angle to 0 and repeat this process again. Let's move forward to understand program logic of our robot. What was the first step? First step was connecting ultrasonic and servo motor. Go to pins and sensor, pick get ultrasonic, choose device to write ultra. Go to pins and sensor, pick get PWM servo motor, write servo. Go to variables and string, pick create variable. Go to variables and string, pick value block. We are going to make our initial angle, that is gate angle, and set it to 0. Now go to ESP logic, pick set servo angle and set its value to gate angle. Now we are going to continuously read values from ultrasonic. Go to control, pick while block. Go to math and logic, pick true block. To create infinite loop, duplicate create variable. Write here distance. Go to ESP logic, pick get distance. Choose our ultrasonic pin, that is ultra. Next step, if distance is less than 15, we will open the gate, means set servo to 90. Else if gate angle is already 90, then we will wait for 3 seconds and close the gate. Go to control, pick if block, pick else, go to operators, pick comparison block, duplicate distance, duplicate 0, write in 15, change else to else if. Now duplicate set servo, set it to 90. Go to variables and string, pick change variable value block, write gate angle, copy 0, set it to 90, duplicate this block, delete this, duplicate gate angle, write here 90, choose equal to, go to time, pick wait block, write 3, then pick set servo, set angle to 0 and duplicate gate angle, set it to 0, put here, write 0.1. Now our code is completed. Click on connect brain button, choose USB serial, click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. Let's compare flowchart with our program. We are connecting ultrasonic and servo. To achieve this, we are using get ultrasonic, get PWM servo motor. We are setting gate angle to 0. To achieve this, we are using create variable block to create a variable. Then we are setting servo angle to gate angle. For this, we are using set servo block. Then we are reading distance from ultrasonic. For this, we are using get distance block. If distance is less than 15, we are setting servo angle to 90 and gate angle to 90. We are setting servo angle to 90 and gate angle to 90. If gate angle is 90, we are setting servo to 0 and gate angle to 0. If gate angle is 90, we are setting servo to 0, gate angle to 0, and repeating this process again. Great job! Now you know how to make a smart toll gate and how to make a gate open and close by itself. In the upcoming video, we are going to make obstacle avoiding car, which uses ultrasonic to avoid obstacles. If you understood how to read distance from ultrasonic and how to use servo motor to open gate and close the gate, please like this video and subscribe our channel.